So in this quick video, I'll show you how to easily recover deleted apps on your Android phone. So as you can see, currently I'm on my phone app library, and now I'm going to deleting this Discord app from my Android phone. So as you can see, the app successfully uninstalled. Now I'll show you how to easily recover the deleted Discord app. To recover all of your deleted apps, go to your Play Store and make sure to sign into your account. Now just tap on your profile photo, and here tap on Manage Apps and Device. Tap on Manage and tap on Installed, and here select Not Installed. And in this page here you will find all of your uninstalled apps. Now to find out your recent deleted apps, just tap on this filter icon and sort by select recently updated, and here in this list you will find all of your recently uninstalled apps. So here we can see the Discord app showing in this list. Now to reinstall the app, just select the app and tap on this download icon, and here we can see the app is reinstalling on my phone.